Hey guys, so as you know, in June, some of you may not know this, in June I'm going to Lenexa, Kansas, and I'm going to be going to this Kansas City barbecue competition. It's like the third largest barbecue competition in the United States, okay? So I'm going to be on this team. I was invited to be on a team, and I've never competed before whatsoever. Well, my category is pulled pork. That's right. So I need to get some practice in before. So you're going to see a few pulled pork episodes. I need to get some practice in on making my pulled pork and before I go in June, all right? And I'll be taking you guys there with me. I'll be doing Facebook Live. I'll be posting pictures. I'll be doing a video of all behind the scenes, overnight cooking and all that good stuff. So I needed to get some practice, and I called my buddy Mike over at Everyday Barbecue. If you haven't seen Everyday Barbecue, this guy, Mike's just starting out, and he's getting tons of subscribers like quickly. So I called him. I go, hey dude, I need your help. Let's do like a little mini competition, me and you, and I'll do a pulled pork and you do a pulled pork, and we'll see what the viewers like. You're gonna have to look with your eyes because you guys can't taste what I'm making. And he's like, yeah, that sounds great. Sounds awesome. So he's filming his video right now. I'm filming mine right now. But the key thing is this. I wanted to give it a step above. You have to use 2 ingredients with your pulled pork that you don't normally use with pulled pork. So, like, you're going to season it with something that doesn't normally go on pulled pork, or you're going to inject it, or whatever. So, come on in close. Let me show you what I'm doing today on my pulled pork. Oh, and by the way, once you're done with this video, go over to Everyday Barbecue, my buddy Mike's. Look at his video and subscribe. Show him some love. All right? Appreciate it. So here it is. Mine's an 8-pounder right here. I don't know why I do that. That's just ridiculous. And I got my rub. And the rub, it's really cool. Look at this. It smells amazing. I always keep a paper towel in my rub because I make it in large quantities and I want it to stay dry so the towel absorbs the moisture. I'm using, ready for this? Costa Rican coffee grounds, smoked paprika, brown sugar, and chili powder in here. You've got the heat, you've got the sweet, you've got the smoky, it's just awesome. And then you've got that coffee that when it melts on the meat, it's gonna get like chocolatey and sticky. And the 2 ingredients you don't normally use with pulled pork: 1, maple syrup; 2, jalapenos. That's right. I'm going to infuse these. Hopefully it's going to work. I've never done this before. I'm experimenting, but I'm going to infuse the jalapeno flavor into the maple syrup, and then I'm going to inject it into the meat. And I mean inject as much as I can get into it. So let's clean up our jalapenos. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm keeping all the seeds. I'm keeping all of that. All right, and then I'm going to take all this, throw it in the pot, little saucepan. And then I'm going to take this beautiful syrup, and I'm going to pour it right in there. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. And I'm just going to simmer it on the stove. Now I'm going to score the fat side. Then I'm going to rub in my rub in all the cracks of the scored fat. Then season this side too. Get the sides. Don't neglect your sides. Make sure all 4 sides have been loved. So there it is. It's been simmering. In fact, I didn't know maple syrup got loose when you warm it up. It's working good. See that? It's full. And I'm going to get it into the thickest part first. And by the way, this is very hot, so I expect some of it to come out, get into these bigger sections by the bone. All right, now it's time to take it out to the grill. for a tour while we're waiting. Look at that glistening goodness in there. It's like looking at the surface of the moon. All these pockets of heaven. Look at that. Just oozing. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Is that beautiful? All right, I'm done waiting. Get a fork under there. A good sign of a pulled pork that's fully cooked is the bone comes out. Nice and easy. It's really hot. Where's my glove? Coming clean out. When it comes out like that perfect, you know it's perfect. Let's just take some forks and see how it shreds. Look at this. That's it. I'm just going for it, guys. You just take your forks and just start shredding it away. Okay, guys, what I have right here is the new formula to my barbecue sauce. No high fructose corn syrup. Yes, it's been 17 years in the making. It now is made with real sugar, no high fructose corn syrup. And I thought I would just take my time pouring it on top of this pulled pork so you guys can enjoy it with me. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Look how thick and beautiful that is. Boom. First time ever on the show. That's it right there. Oh, can you see that? See that mountain? Just going to put it right there. And yes, I'm going for it. So get ready. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Do I have a little on my face? Sorry. Guys, I don't mean to be rude, but I got to chow this down. It's almost against the law to leave it out and not eat it. So there you go, Mike. Let me see what you can do. Guys, do me a favor. You saw mine. You saw me eating it. You saw the beautiful color, the glistening, and you saw what I put on it. Go head over to Everyday Barbecue. Send some love to my buddy Mike, all right? And tell him mine's better. There's a link down below to his show. Bye, guys. Are you guys still here? You're supposed to be over at his channel. Oh, and be nice to him. He's a great guy. And subscribe to his channel. Now get out of here. I'm trying to finish this.